Okay, let's then let's play out something. I'd like us to look at a particular scenario where we could play around with queries, to give you a better picture of the power of queries. Okay, I'm going to give us something to do, and I would really love us to do it. Okay, um, let us think. Okay, let's say um, okay, Gleek's marketing company, okay, needs you to create, my bad, to create a database, okay, that would um okay have the details of its cosmetic products. Aha. The database should also contain a query that would enable the marketing manager see the goods and amount, no, not just amount, the goods quantity and amount sold. That's it. And amount sold. All right, I like you guys to do this. Okay, let's blow this up a little so that we don't get cocky. All right, that should do it. So Gleek's marketing company needs you to create a database. That's what is data, not data. Okay, a database that would have the details of its cosmetic product. You know what to do. You're just creating the actual fields, and a database should also contain a query that would enable the marketing manager see the goods, quantity, and amount sold. Those are three elements that the query should contain. Keep that in mind. We're looking at goods, we're looking at quantity, we're looking at amount sold. Those are the guys we're looking out for. So let's see you, um I'm thinking that out. So I'm underlining the keywords that I like you guys to bring out. Those are the keywords. So that means that your primary table should definitely have those as the keywords. You might, out of your description, decide to add an ID field if probably you have a serial number for the amount or quantity of goods that are sold. Okay, I'll really love you to do this. If you get any, if you get stuck, feel free to ask me. Okay, um, in the next scenario, or rather in the next video, we'll go ahead now to discuss about forms. Yeah, my favorites, forms. We're getting gradually to the end of this whole course, so I'm sure that we're learning a lot, and I'm really excited. And so in the next video, like I mentioned, we're going to discuss forms. Please endeavor to make sure you do this. Essentially, that's the only way you would understand what okay, not necessarily understand, but appreciate better what queries are about. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit.